Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Beautyforever hair. So of course I'm going to show you guys the goodies that they sent over. They sent over some nails, an elastic band, and some wig caps. I'm not going to use the wig caps because this is a Vpart wig. Their Vpart wig is new and improved, so I'm going to show you guys all of the details and all of the cool features of it. So this is their upgraded Vpart wig. As you can see, you get a clip at the back. You get a clip like kind of towards the middle, and then all around the V part of the wig you get clips, because that's what you're going to hook onto your hair. And then at the back you have like that silicone material that helps so your wig doesn't split, and it has this a little adjustable like drawstring, and that helps so that your wig can be the correct size to your head. Like sometimes in the past I've had problems with V part or in U part wigs, and they were too big, so this really gets rid of that problem. And then also the part around the V part, as you can see, it is completely covered in the way that they did the tracks. It makes it undetectable, so it's a seamless blend and it's tailored to fit your hair. So I just started by cutting off the little straps that were on the V part, and then we're going to just put it on. I'm making sure to put my drawstring at the back nice and tight, and then I'm just going to clip it on to the braids around the V part section. I'm also doing a clip at the back and just pretty much reinforcing the wig as much as possible so that it doesn't go anywhere. So this is the Yaki straight texture. Y'all know my favorite texture, so I'm just brushing it out. And I haven't even flat ironed my hair, but you guys will see that it already blends in nicely with my hair. I just did like a blowout and it's already blending in nicely, other than the line of demarcation. My hair is like really blunt at the ends, so that doesn't help, but other than that it blends seamlessly. And then I'm about to add a little heat to it to make it blend even better. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my leave out. So with this wig, if you don't want to wear it with leave out, you do not have to. I prefer leave out, but I've seen people who have done it with no leave out at all. They just like clipped it onto their braids. Especially like if it's like a curly texture, then it's really not as noticeable and you can not have leave out. So after I flat ironed my hair, I just went ahead and created some layers like in the front. As you can see, I'm starting to kind of cut from where my leave out is so that it's not as detectable, and it's already looking good. I mean, the hair is already really nice and silky and everything. I'm just making sure that I'm covering up any like part of the wig and you can't see anything. And yeah, this is what it looks like in its straight form. I am gonna go ahead and curl it a little bit at the end, but I just want to show you guys how it looks in a straight form. And as you can see, it didn't take me any time to do this. It was super easy and simple. I didn't need to add any glue, I didn't have to do any sewing or anything like that. And it depends on how much like leave out you have around the sides. You can like pull it up into a ponytail and everything, or you can just have no leave out at all. But I wanted to have like a little something out on the side, so I just clipped my V-part wig a little bit to the back. But anyway, we're about to move on, and I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm curling it all over, going into the back, because I wanted like that effortless curly look. Okay, so my hair is completely curled all over, and I'm just like running my fingers through it. It has like effortless curls, so you see that the hair does curl. This is what my leave out looks like. I kept it like really natural. I didn't like flat iron it like super bone straight. I'm just showing you guys how natural it is, like around the edges and everything. You can have your hair out on the side or not. Like, you really do not have to have any hair out at all. That's the great thing about this wig. It is very versatile depending on what you want, and it's super easy and quick to do. I'm just showing you guys what the back looks like and everything. And then of course, if you want to do like a half up half down style, you can do something like that, or you can do it in a ponytail. You can definitely do a lot of different styles with it. Of course, the hair is absolute great quality. It is Beautyforever hair, so I mean, that's a given. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement. I actually didn't experience any shedding at all with this wig, which is very surprising because I always receive some type of shedding, but I didn't receive any shedding at all. And make sure you guys check out the Beautyforever sale that they're having right now. I have all the links and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.